Heart and Hand Center is an expressive therapy mental health practice that encompasses various modalities of therapy to help people recover from grief, trauma, abuse, all kinds of losses. We use creative therapy along with talk therapy, using horses and holistic approach to life to help people recover from those things. The goal of Heart and Hand Center is to help heal life's hurts and empower people for positive living. My name is Sally Hand, and I'm the creator and executive director of the Heart and Hand Center and also the lead clinical therapist. It's not just a place for people to come week after week, year after year, and keep rehashing the same old stuff. My purpose is to help people get to the root of their problems as quickly as possible, recover, and live wonderful, abundant, full lives. The therapy that we do and the approach that we do is helping people to become more aware of their own mind, body, spirit connection and looking at ways that they can improve that.
The therapy helps me to establish who's the boss and helps me to understand boundaries and to be the one in charge and that I'm the leader, and that helps me with other relationships outside of this barn.
The Heart and Hand Center has offices at the Emerson Cultural Center in Bozeman, and we also have a ranch out on Jackson Creek Road, 12 miles east of Bozeman. Art therapy is using simple things like crayons, oil pastels, colored pencils, markers, three-dimensional sort of things like doing a picture in a sand tray, using little miniatures that I would have available around the room to depict what's going on in a person's life, how they're feeling, what they want their life to look like.
Equine psychotherapy is about basically playing games with horses on the ground to give people opportunities to allow the horses to be reflectors of kind of mirrors of whatever's going on with them. It's to give people opportunities through interaction with the horses to learn how to be more aware of their nonverbal communication. Need to set boundaries in relationships. Helps people to learn how to control their upset feelings. So when the horses get upset, if you get upset with them, it just makes it worse. So teaching people how to stay calm and smooth things out. It's also a lot of fun.
You can't do anything unless you're willing to do it yourself. But if you have somebody that you can talk to, that you can bare your soul to, and if somebody's willing to listen and understand and give you tools to work with, which Sally does with her artwork and with horses, it's a great blessing.
We do summer day camps, which are therapeutic recreational experiences for children, for teens, for families, and we do divorce and trauma and grief, loss, recovery retreats for adults.
Heart and Hand Center is a place of healing. It's a place where people have a chance to recover from life's hurts and be empowered to live great lives.
Walking out the front door, the sun is playing, tapping out a melody. My heart is saying that it's gonna be the best day of my life. Yeah, it's gonna be the best day, because I feel so alive. And if we stop for a minute and we open our minds, well, we might find our hearts start to open and shine. There's no containing, no explaining such a joyful noise. It's just the sound of our hearts having found their voice. Well, alright, seeing all the people and the light in the soul, well, it makes me appreciate the whole wide world. And it's gonna be the best day of our lives. Yeah, it's gonna be the best day, 'cause everything is alright. And if we stop for a minute and we open our minds, well, we might find our hearts start to open and shine. There's no containing, no explaining such a joyful noise. It's just the sound of our